As a teacher, using the Originality AI Plagiarism and AI Detection plugin is quick and simple. When creating or editing an assignment, you'll see the option to enable Originality AI. You can choose which AI detection model to run, English or multi-language. The multi-language model supports over 30 languages. You can also decide whether scans run automatically on submission or only when you manually trigger them. Once a student submits work, you'll see the Originality AI scan results right in the assignment view. You can quickly open the full report for detailed AI detection and plagiarism results. The plagiarism score appears as a match percentage. It's all built into your normal Moodle workflow, so you don't need to leave the platform. If you've set an assignment to scan manually, you'll have simple buttons to run the plagiarism or AI check whenever you choose. Once the scan finishes, results appear instantly on the same page, and you can open them for a detailed view. With Originality AI, you have powerful AI detection and plagiarism tools directly inside Moodle, helping you uphold academic integrity with ease.